Hello, dear viewers. Today I want to show you how to turn on or elevation markers. As you can see, they are currently off. So to turn them on, you just need to right click anywhere using your mouse. Then you can see here elevation setting and elevation range. So go to elevation settings. Then you can see all these options. You can see story levels and story level text. So you need to expand story levels. And you can see story show story level. So now that is why you cannot see the resolution markers. So I can tell them I can select display only. Then okay. So you can see they have been turned on. So you can see the elevation and the story level. You can turn them off. Go back to elevation settings, story level. So story level. Now, if you like this